quench your thirst on a hot, humid day with a refreshing homemade sweetened iced lemon tea. It saves money, takes minutes to make, no preservatives, and you control how sweet you want it to be. Come, I'll show you how I make it. First, boil some water in a kettle. We are going to need about 1 liter of boiling water to make 3 glasses of iced tea. Add 1 tea bag into the pot. I'm using Lipton Black Orange Pico tea, but you can use any type of unflavored black tea. Pour about 1 liter or 4 cups of boiling water into the pot. Turn up the heat and bring the tea to a soft boil and let the tea simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, which is a lot of sugar to me, but it is not that sweet compared to the canned tea drinks. So adjust the sweetness level to your preference. The last ingredient is lemon juice concentrate. You can use any brand. Add 3 teaspoons of lemon juice concentrate into the tea. We can see that the tea starts to lighten in color when we add the lemon juice in. Increase the heat slightly and simmer for another minute. Okay, it's done. Remove the pot from the stove and carefully transfer the lemon tea into a glass jar or a heat-safe container. Let it cool down at room temperature before closing the lid. Once it is cool, you can cover and store it in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Thanks for watching. Check out more summer drinks. Links in the description box below.